How's it going, everybody? Got this a few days ago, but finally getting around to opening it up. But it's a customized case of rations from MRE Nation. I'm sure in the future we'll be able to do more customization, but they might need more customers, so go check them out. But until then, let's check out what we got in this box. Now, this is a custom order by me, a customized case. So I got to pick most of the stuff that you can put in here. Should be like 6 pizzas and then 6 something else. But let's open this up with my Gonzo auto knife. Alright. Okay, so there's going to be some extra stuff that I ordered, but also some extra stuff that they added. Like this bonus pack here. Build your own face bonus pack. It's supposed to be autofocus, doesn't want to. It looks like you get a toothbrush and toothpaste, some creamy vanilla icing, a giant sized wet wipe, some peanut butter and some extra cheese spreads, extra hot sauces, a sweetened condensed milk, looks like some Tabasco, crystallized lemon and lime packets. Pretty cool. And let's see, you get your you get 12 menus in here. And let's see, should have 6 pizzas. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then everything else is a little bit different. Got a customized menu 21 beef taco. It's always a good one. Menu 14, spicy Southwest chicken. Number 34, Mexican style chicken stew. And this one does not have a number, but it's lentil stew with ham. Number 18, Asian style beef strips, and I'm pretty sure I ordered rice with that one, or it already came with rice. And lentil stew with ham. Alright. And one other box, some other stuff I ordered. Get it off me. Alright. Wow. That's quite the bag for the beef patty. jalapeno pepper jack. Alright, hash browns. Another pizza. Oh, my BJ Snyder skull crusher. Folding camp stove. I bought that separate. It's just like a little Nesbit stove. Okay, an extreme snack pack. So this should have like extra breads and crackers and stuff. And another extreme snack pack. Well, thanks for watching. Go check out MRE Nation. You can do custom MREs, which is what these are. Yeah, anyways, go check out MRE Nation. Build your own MREs. Nothing wrong with that. Reasonably priced company, and they seem to throw in some extra goodies or give you some extra options that you wouldn't have considered before. But y'all take care, stay safe, and thanks for watching. Eeyore out.